Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. If you are new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Okay, don't forget to press the bell icon because it will give you further notification of my coming videos. Today we have come with another topic of Unit 4 Organizing. In the earlier classes I have given you the concept of organizing, steps involved in organizing and importance of organizing. Today we will come with another topic, delegation of authority. Okay, now first we need to understand delegation. Delegation is a very essential power, we will say, in the hands of management, because a manager, if he want to complete a task, then he have to bring people in a team, and for this reason delegation is very much essential, because a manager cannot himself do everything. Okay, he have to take support of his subordinates and execute them in order to achieve its organizational goal. So we need to understand the concept of delegation very well. Now, what do you mean by delegation of authority? Delegation of authority is the sharing of task or responsibility among subordinate in order to achieve certain common goals or objectives. Okay, and delegation is what? The elementary principles of division of work. Okay, division of work. We have said, what is division? Divide the work among others. Okay, now while dividing, you have to give him that power, that responsibility to a particular person. Suppose Mr. A has delegated a work to Mr. B. Means what? Now B can take certain decision in certain definite area. That is the meaning of delegation. Okay, that is the meaning of sharing of rights or power or responsibility from one person to another, generally from superior to subordinate. Okay, that is the meaning of delegation. Now, delegation of authority includes three elements. Number one, authority. Number two, responsibility. And number three, accountability. Okay, authority. The term authority means what? Authority means what? Rights to perform a task, rights to take decision, rights to take action. Okay, now we will take an example here with captain. When a person became a captain of a team, now he gets certain authority to take decision during the time of toss, take decision in selecting that team. Okay, take decision which player will play at what position, which player will stand at what position in the field. Okay, that is the meaning of right to take action. That is the meaning of delegation, authority. Okay, now responsibility. Responsibility means what? Obligation to carry out the assigned duty. Okay, obligation. Now, when a person get power, now he became obliged to perform his duty. He cannot skip his task. He cannot stay away from the task. You have to face the task. And what he have to do, he is responsible towards every result. That is the meaning of responsibility. Responsibility means obligation to carry out the assigned duty after acquiring the authority. That is the meaning of responsibility. Now, accountability. Accountability means what? Obligation to carry out the responsibility, how the person has carried out his task. Okay, it may be positive result, it may be negative result, but how he has dealt the thing, whether very efficiently, whether very effectively, or whether very, what we can say, lazily he have done, carelessly he has done, he have to provide a result or report to his superior. That is the meaning of accountability. Accountability means answerable for the outcome or the result. Okay, this is all about authority, responsibility, accountability. In one word, we will understand authority means rights or power. Responsibility means obligation to carry out Obligation term you remind, and third, accountability means answerable towards the happening or the result. This is all about what? Authority, responsibility, accountability. Okay. These are the different elements. Next, we shall proceed towards importance of delegation. Okay, why delegation is required? Delegation is very much essential element, because manager himself cannot do his task. He have to bring people. He have to delegate the thing to to others, so that the work is completed within the limited time and resources. Therefore, delegation is very much essential. Okay, now the different importance of delegation. Point number 1, effective management. 2, employee development. 3, motivation of employees. 4, growth of the organization. 5, managerial hierarchy. Number 6, better coordination. These are the different importance of delegation. Point number 1, effective management. What is effective management? For delegation management, the administrator can manage the group very efficiently, manage the people very efficiently, because work are being distributed, rights are being provided. Now the other can take decisions by their own in completing the task in their relevant areas. Which person is eligible for which area, he has got the rights, he has got the power. Then what? Overall management is possible. If the manager always think that only I will give out decision, I don't do anything without my power, okay, permission, sorry, means then what? The work will be very lazy. What will take time. Okay, use time is required. It cannot be completed within the limited range. For this reason, delegation is important, and it leads to effective management. Number 2 is what? Employee development. Delegation. Superior delegate to his subordinate. Remember the line. Superior delegates to his subordinate. Now, when the manager or superior share its power to other, then other also become responsible how to do the task. Yes, then the person learns. Suppose captain sometime delegate his sometime in some occasion, if he suppose get injured, he delegate his power to his what? Another player. We call him as a vice captain. Yes, when that vice captain get that role, then he learns the thing. Oh, how to face the thing. Okay, in what situation, what he have to do. Okay, in this way the manpower get learned, manpower get developed. Okay, therefore employee development is possible. Number 3rd one is motivation of employees. Because delegation, because in an organization different employees are working, different workers are working. Yes, when they get certain power, yes, Malik ne mujhe kaam karne ko diya hai. Yes, now he motivates, means so such confidence the manager has shown in him, then he do the thing very what? Deliberately. Okay, in this way it motivates the employees. Yes, suppose in your home, your parents used to do everything, never involve you, okay, never share with you, never give you some power, then you will also get disheartened at one time. Means they do not think I am eligible, I am capable, you get demoralized. Yes, when your father give, you go to the market, bring this medicine, you go to the market, you bring this grocery, okay, your father is ill, you get involved with those kind of things, you automatically motivate towards your family. Yes, to good for your family. In this way, in an organization also, when employees get these powers, okay, they also get motivated, encouraged to give their best. Next is what? Growth of the organization. Yes, delegation for this development, for motivation, effective administration. Yes, growth of the organization is possible. Now everyone is working at their own field, own place. Everyone is giving their best. Everyone is productivity is increasing, output is increasing, profitability increasing. Yes, confidence level is increasing. Yes, development is possible. Then automatically growth of the organization is possible. Now next is managerial hierarchy. Managerial hierarchy means what? Hierarchy, level after level, step after step, top, middle, low. Okay, from A to B, B to C, C to D. Okay, that hierarchy can be followed. Okay, superior, subordinate, again that subordinate is superior for another person. Okay, in this way that hierarchy can be maintained. Who will instruct whom, who will guide whom, who is responsible towards whom, that is possible through delegation of authority. Okay, it maintain managerial hierarchy. Okay, next is coordination. Coordination is what? Coordination is the pull or binding to bring together. It is the, what we can say, tactics. One person engage with another. The link has been created through coordination, and delegation creates that link. Suppose our HOD is absent, next senior teacher become HOD. Okay, if both are absent, then next become the departmental head for that particular day or for a tenure. Okay, that is coordination. If delegation is this kind of delegative strategy were not taken, then people will get confused. Who will be give instruction for the day? Who will divide the class? Which teacher will go to the class? Okay, who will take managerial decision? There is a confusion. Delegation, the strategy of delegation for maintaining that hierarchy, better coordination among the people in the organization is possible. Okay, hope you have understand the different importance, what we have learned, meaning of delegation, elements of delegation, and importance of delegation. Okay, go to the book, have an idea about, give a brief reading, some notes in the screen also I have given. You can note it down also. If you need further notes, you can comment in my comment box, and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.